All right, so that's the view coming in from the market on the Indian rupee or how it could be behaving. Let's also get in Abhishek Goenka. He is CEO India Forex Advisors and he joins us on a Mumbai phone line. Abhishek, hi, welcome to the show. The RBI disappointment yesterday, the euro declining ahead of the EU summit. All of that, where does put rupee really?
So I personally feel the market gave its verdict after the announcement. I think after that we have not seen probably any kind of a strength in rupee coming in. In fact, the market got beaten down. So I personally feel the other global factors, are actually playing the role in a very big manner. Especially if you look at the currencies of the BRIC nations, the way the currencies have been behaving and the way it's been behaving the last few days, couple of months' time. I think the money is going across all the emerging markets, and it's not only a local problem of your current account deficit and fiscal deficit, which is creating a lot of problem. But I think internationally there is a big fear of capital. And till the time is there, I think the rupee will maintain its weakening spree. And Manisha, as I said a few months back, we are looking and heading towards 58 again.
Abhishek, we saw yesterday closing at 57.01. It's yet again the same closing today as well. While we have seen a lot of choppiness into the market, what does that tell you? While we are not going too much beyond 57, I mean, there are concerns. Perhaps RBI was in the market today. So what kind of level, as you said, 58, but going forward, what range would you be working with?
See, I would stick with a slight bearish range in the market. I would say that in the next 6 months, the range could be as wide as 55 to 60. That would be the wider range, and with a bearish bias, I would rather buy rupee or buy the US dollar on dips whenever there is an opportunity. But because I am very have a strong view that the US dollar index should head towards an 85 to 87 levels. So looking at the current levels that the dollar index rupees have been holding at 57, so I think when we are heading towards 85, 86, and the euro dollar goes down to say below 120, then definitely rupee will also follow course. The rupee will maintain bearishness in the market.
All right, Abhishek, we'll let you go at that. To 55 to 60 is the range coming in from Abhishek Goenka. Vijay, what's your sense? I mean, that's quite a huge range, but for the very near term, are you also still buying the rupees?
I think